Hello, dear ones. Welcome to your practice. My name is Nadi. Thank you for joining. This practice today will be short and focused on the sciatic nerve. So if you're feeling some pain or discomfort, this practice is for you. I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to come to lay down on our back. So make your way down. You can keep your knees bent. And here we're going to open the knees out wide, away from each other. Bring the soles of your feet together. I'm going to start by placing one hand over the heart and the other one over the belly. If it feels super tight to stay like that, you can bring something to support your knees. So maybe you have blocks beside you, pillows, maybe stacks of books, whatever you have in hand. Bring it to support. If not, stay like that. We will not stay here for too long. And start to bring your awareness to your breath. Few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Inviting your awareness into your breath, into your body. Just noticing what is present for you in this moment. You can lower your hands down beside you. And here with the next inhalation, we're going to press the soles of the feet against each other. We're going to activate our legs. Hold it here. Hold it, hold it. Take another deep breath. Press your feet against each other. And as you exhale, release that. Release your legs down. Release the tension in your feet. Let's do it again. Inhale, press your feet against each other. Activate your legs. Hold it here. Hold it here. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, release the tension. Let's do it for one last time. Take a deep breath. Press your feet against each other. Legs are strong. Hold it. Keep pressing your feet. Press your feet. Hold it. One last deep breath in. And exhale. Let it go. Bring your knees up. Place your feet down on the mat. Good. Arms can come beside you. Now here check if your fingertips are touching your heels. If not, bring your feet a bit closer towards your sitting bones. Once you're ready, we're going to come up into a bridge pose. So press into your feet, lift your hips off the ground. You can squeeze your glutes gently. Lift your hips a bit higher as you press into the ground with your feet. Good. Hold it here. Keep the inner thighs parallel to each other, so make sure you're not opening your knees out wide. Now with the next breath, we're going to lift our left leg up. Keep pressing into your right foot. Lengthen through your left leg. Bend your left knee, place your left ankle over the right thigh. And try to open your left thigh down towards the ground. Keep lifting your hips up high. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, slowly lower your hips down. Good. Now keep pressing your left thigh down towards the back edge of the mat. And with your next inhalation, we're going to lift our right knee in, right thigh in towards the chest. Now instead of threading the arms like we sometimes do in this posture, we're going to stay like that. And we're going to use the muscles of our legs here. So you can activate both feet. Yeah? And gently you can start to invite gentle pulses in and out. So your right knee is gently pressing in towards the chest and out away from the chest. And as you're doing that, you can also incorporate the breath. So inhalation as you bring the knee in, and exhalation as you release the tension away. Stay here for a few more breaths. Feel the outer edge of your left hip. Good. Slowly lower your right foot down to the mat. Open your arms wide or shoulder height. Take a deep breath. And on your exhalation, we're going to lower the legs over to the left side. So your left foot will stay over the right thigh. If it feels a lot and you have that block or something to place underneath your left knee, feel free to do that. If it still feels like a lot, you can lower your left foot down. Yeah, so check in what works for you. You can gaze up towards the ceiling. If your neck feels comfortable, feel free to look over your right shoulder. Breathe here. Feel your body. With your next breath, you can release your foot from over your thigh, lift your knees up. Open your feet to the edges of the mat, lower your knees to the right side, lift them back up and over to the left. Just for a few rounds like that. Eventually bring your knees back up. Bring your feet back in, hip width apart, arms beside you. So the fingertips can touch your heels. If not, adjust your body. Once you're ready, come up into your bridge, so press into your feet, peel your spine, your hips off the ground. Hold it here, keep pressing into your feet. Keep your inner thighs parallel to each other, your legs are strong. The breath is present. And with your next inhalation, we're going to lift our right leg up. Keep pressing into your left foot, lengthen through the right toes. Bring your right ankle over your left thigh. Open your right thigh down towards the ground. Take another deep breath, lift your hips a bit higher. And as you exhale, slowly lower your hips back down. So the same here, we're keeping that opening through the right thigh, send it down and away. And once you're ready, let's bring the left knee, left thigh in towards the chest. Keep both feet engaged. And work here with gentle pulses in and out. Synchronize the breath. Inhale as you bring your knee in towards the chest. Exhale, release that away. Keep your face relaxed. And notice what is present for you in the right side. Eventually come to stillness for a few more breaths. And let's lower the left foot down to the ground. Open your arms wide. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your legs over to the right side. So the right foot will stay over the left thigh. Again, modify if you need. Relax your upper back on the ground. Shoulders are resting down. The head is heavy. And if it feels good for your neck, look over to your left arm, over the left shoulder. Deep inhalations, long exhalations. Allow your legs to get heavier with each breath out. One last deep breath in and out. And slowly, when you're ready, remove the right foot from over your thigh. Lift both knees. And again, here gently you can move your legs from side to side. Eventually bring your knees up. Bring your feet so they're hip width. Again, the arms can come back beside your body. And here we're going to move with some gentle tilting of the pelvis up and down with the breath. So with your inhalation, you're going to start to press the spine down so the lumbar spine can spread wide across the mat. And here you're going to lift your tailbone just a bit off the mat. As you exhale, gently drop your tailbone down. Press into your bum, so you press into your tailbone, and you arch through your back. So you find length through the front body. Inhale again, press your spine down, lengthen through the spine, lift your tailbone, find length through the back body, press into your feet. And as you exhale, drop your tailbone down, press it gently into the ground, arch through your back, lengthen through the front body. And let's continue that exploration for a few more rounds, following your breath. Do one last round. Inhale and exhale. And let's come back to neutral. Bring your knees into your chest. Hug your knees. Take a deep breath. Lift your forehead towards your knees. Squeeze everything. Make yourself super tiny. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, let everything come down back to the ground. You can extend your legs. Extend the arms up over the head. We're going to come into banana pose, banana shape. So we're going to move our legs over to the left. Right leg will come over the left. And here you're going to move your arms also over to the left side, and you can hold your right wrist with your left hand. So you lengthen through the side of your body. Breathe into the right side. And as you exhale, you can release. You're going to come to the other side, so walking your legs over to the right. Left leg can come over the right leg. Hold your left wrist with your right hand. Lengthen. Keep your pelvis down. Your back is down. Breathe to the left side of your body, from your toes to the tip of your fingers. And as you exhale, release that. Come back to center. Bend your knees. Lower yourself to either side and come gently back into your cross-legged position. You can gently slide your hands up and down along your thighs, the outside of your hips, and a bit higher into your low back, and giving yourself some love. Good. And rest your hands back down to your knees. Thank you so much for joining. I hope this practice helped you. If you enjoy those practices I'm sharing here on this channel, please subscribe, like, comment. I would love to hear how is your experience so far. Thank you so much. Namaste.